everybody. So if you don't know where we are at Ben Gurion airport, and where we are going to Wrocław. So I've got my flight in about 1 hour. I'm sitting here drinking coffee and I will talk to you from Wrocław. Hi guys, hi from Wrocław. So I arrived to my apartment again. I booked it on booking.com. I will do you the room tour later because what I have to do now is I have to go to the shop and buy some food, coffee and stuff like that. But I have to mention one thing that made me so angry. And you know what? I know, like, I know this kind of things happen and it happened to me already, but you know, when you are flying out from Israel, they sometimes open your luggage and they check if there is any bomb whatsoever, and this time it happened to me again. And the first time, a few years ago, they destroyed my cosmetics, they destroyed my jewelry, everything, and obviously I wrote several letters of complaints and nobody ever answered me. And this time it happened, and well guys, first, when I pack everything nicely. I've got everything ironed, folded, everything. And second, I had quite a lot of pottery to bring to my family as gifts. And what they did, they unpacked everything and they broke pottery. I wanted to show you how it looks like because I'm so heartbroken because they were gifts for my family. And I don't believe that this pottery broke because it was in the luggage, because I packed it in a bubble wrap and everything. We even asked the lady at the airport if she can put the sticker fragile on it, but she said no, nothing will happen, don't worry, you don't need a sticker. And what they did, they unpacked, they unwrapped the bubble wrap, and I think they just broke the pottery, like, and I know I can write a letter of complaint, but it will not do anything. Like, this letter of complaint will not help me. Actually, they will not pay me any money, they will not even apologize. You know, I would be fine if they apologized, but they will never apologize. So guys, like, pity I didn't record how nicely I packed everything. Once I opened the luggage at the airport, look what happened. This is the mess. It's a mess. Do you see that? I don't know what to say. And also I bought some gifts from Lalin to my family, and they just opened things and they left it open. And what happened? It obviously leaked. Look at this mess. Look, I never packed this way. Obviously it leaked. Everything smells like that. You see there are the marks that are just not wrapped and everything. Okay guys, small update from the bathroom. So as you can see, I put myself kind of together, even though I'm a little bit tired. I will be meeting my friends probably in the evening, so we don't have much time, so let's go shopping. Tomorrow we'll have all the day of sightseeing. I've got a lot of plans, but let's take this 1 hour and a half to see what's here. Morning guys. So today is the day. I wanted to wake up very early, but I will tell you what's the time now. 11. Why? Because I met my friends and I think I came back just too late. I mean, what can I say? So I put myself together, kind of, even though I'm not feeling amazing. So I will need, I think, a good coffee. And we're gonna go for sightseeing. First, what I want to show you is the apartment I rented this time through booking.com. And I will tell you, the apartment is literally 5 minutes walking from the train station, which is the great location for me. The apartment itself is quite small. It's much more smaller than the one I rented in Krakow. So you've got the front door, you go through here. Here you've got some things. Okay, this is very nice. It's very high. It's the old building. Okay. And what we see here is some kind of studio. So we've got kitchen, we've got bed, table, TV, which I'm not using. Okay, bathroom is quite alright. Sorry for the mess. You've got shower, laundry machine, some towels and stuff, hair dryer, loo. And to be honest, I didn't even look what is inside here. Yeah, there are some drawers, probably for clothes and stuff. Yeah, you've got the dishwasher, all things, kettle. And when we go outside, it's very nice because it has this balcony. And you need to see this Lila building, is very beautiful, historic. So this is the view. See the decoration on the windows? It's impressive. Here is kind of big street with a lot of trams. So I will take 5 minutes to decide where to go first. I don't know how much I can do in one day because I woke up pretty late and it's also Sunday. But obviously I'm taking you with me. So 5 minutes and I'm going. I just need to decide what is our first stop. So see you from outside. Hello guys, we are taking the cable car now. It's gonna be like 2 minutes 30, right? But I think it's gonna be okay because we're gonna cross the river. So let's go.
POLINKA cable car has 380 meters, one-way ride takes approximately 2 minutes and a half. The cars are about 7 meters above the river. It's quite small and has only 2 cars, but it's extremely cheap. One-way ride for an adult costs 3 zlotys, which equals 85 cents USD, 70 euro cents or 62 pennies. You can buy your tickets in a machine located at one of the POLINKA stations. The cable car services started operating in 2013 and it's a lovely hassle-free attraction for the tourists and locals. It's everything for today, guys. I found out that I recorded quite a lot of material and I didn't want to make this video too long, so I decided to split it into 3 parts. The second episode from Wrocław will be out on my channel next Friday, so don't forget to subscribe my channel to be updated. If you like this video, please give me some thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget you can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!